if you've bought one of our grow kits, or if you've actually bought Jiffy coir plugs off our website, they'll be looking like this, hopefully. So you've sown directly into them most likely. I haven't done that with these, I've pricked out into these, but again, it will look very, very similar. So these will be absolutely fine left in these Jiffy coir plugs for quite some time. I mean, we have plugs sat on our benches for a few months, which could be like really tall and flowering, which is not ideal, but they will be fine. So don't worry about if they're getting really big in those plugs like now. You want to wait until these plugs really are setting out the roots. So if I just pick one up for you, this is only just starting to send its roots out through the coir casing, and it's not even close to potting this on yet. These are tiny seedlings. They're very small still, so these can last for ages in these coir plugs. The only thing I will say though is making sure that they have some feed. The coir medium in these is inert, so there's no like nourishment or nutrition in there. So I would use a Chilli Focus, and it's 5 ml to a litre of water when they're at this point. Once they get to a point where they're flowering and then fruiting, it's 10 ml to a litre, but at that point they'll be potted on into a bigger pot obviously. But for now, I would definitely make sure you're giving them some feed, so they've actually got something. They're not just gonna have nothing to feed on, and then again that can create some really poor quality plants. So feed them, they'll be happy in these for quite a long time. We'll do another video later on and you'll be able to see once they've really set on and just how big they can get in these, so not to worry.